Let us learn about some string methods. The first method, len, is used to find the length of a given string, and it will count all the characters inside the string, that is inside the quotes, including space, comma, full stop, special character, everything, right? str is a method which is used to convert a value to a string. So whatever you give within str open close bracket, that value will be put inside quotes and converted to a string. Okay. Capitalize will convert the first letter of a string to uppercase, that is capital letters. That is the word capitalize. What is capitalize? First letter will be changed to capital. Whereas in title case, when you write a title in a big chart, you will write the first letter capitals. The heading will be made in capital. All the first letters will be in capitals to highlight. Same way, title case will convert the first letter of every word to capital letters. I'll quickly show you how all this works. Suppose you have S equal to all is well. Let us first find the length of this string, including spaces. Length is 11. Okay. Then how to find string of? Suppose you have 10.0. String of 10.0 will be enclosed within quotes and converted to a string. Okay, that is the string method. Then what did we see? Capitalize. What is the use of capitalize? The first letter will be changed to capitals. So S dot capitalize. Remember, capitalize spelling is Z here, not S. See, capitalize will change the first letter to capitals. Suppose you have everything as capitals. What will happen? First will be capitalized and the remaining will be converted to small. Okay, like this. So this is the use of capitalize method. First to capital, remaining to small. Now, how to change this to title case? All is well. A, I, W will become in capitals. S dot title will change. Oh, okay. This is, I changed, right? First I will give S as all is well. Then give S dot title. So, every letter, the first word will become capital letters. Okay. The remaining will be converted into small if it is in capital letters. Right. Let us see the other functions. Then we have lower. So, the very name suggests what is lower and what is upper. All the alphabets will be converted to small letters. In upper, all the alphabets will be converted to capital letters. Let us see how it works. I will type in alternate cases so that you can understand well. Now, S dot upper will convert everything to capital letters. S dot lower will convert everything to small letters. Now, remember this capitalize, title, upper, lower will return a string with all these changes. But what will happen to the original string? No change will be made in the original string. Remember, when you capitalize, title, upper, lower, everything is done in a copy and not in the original string. If at all you want to change something, you have to equate and do like this. S equal to S dot lower. In this case, S will be converted to lowercase and then assigned and replaced it with S, like this. Unless otherwise, all this function will return a new answer, but the original string will not be replaced. So you have to keep that in mind. Okay. Next comes count. What do you mean by count? Count the occurrence of a substring. What do you mean by that? Say you have A, S, D, F, S, D. So count how many S is there in this. So you have to give S dot count. That is, I am going to count in this S. Count what? The string S. How many S is there inside the string? 2 times. Suppose I count capital S. Let us see what happens. There is no capital S, so count is 0. Remember, it will not cause any error. If it occurs, it will give the count. If it is not found, it will return 0. Okay. Next is find and index. This find and index both are similar methods which is used to find the occurrence of the given substring. That is, if you want to find out if there is a capital A inside your string. So suppose there are more than one capital A, it will return where that capital A occurs for the first time. I will show you an example. S equal to all is well. Now look at this. There are 4 L's in this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want to find out where this L occurs. S dot find L. It will return the first occurrence where L is found for the first time, index number 1. So index number 1 is returned. Same way, S dot index of L will also give the first occurrence of this. Now what is the difference then? Both are used to find the first occurrence. The difference comes when this L is not found. Suppose there is no L in the string, find will give an answer -1. Okay, suppose I give S dot find of capital L. What will happen? There is no capital L inside S, so it will return -1 as the answer. Okay, whereas S dot index of capital L will return a error. Substring not found. It will give a value error. Okay, so this is the difference between find and index. Find, index, what is the similarity? Both will return the first index number where this substring is found in the given string. Whereas find will return -1 if this is not found inside the string. Where an index number will return an error if this is not found in the given string. Okay, so check out the similarity and the difference between these two. Returns the first index number where a substring is present, returns an error. Oh sorry, I think I've changed the meaning here in the definition. Please cross check. Index will return an error and find will return -1. Okay. Then there are two other methods called ends with and starts with. What do you mean by ends with? Ends with is used to check if a string ends with a particular alphabet or a space or a string or any other thing. I'll show you an example. What is given here in yes, all is well. If I want to check if it ends with L, how to check it? S dot ends with L. S dot ends with, I am checking if the string is ending with alphabet small l. If it is true, yes, it is ending with this, so it will return true. Suppose I give S dot ends with capital A, it will return false because ending is not capital A. Suppose I give a space, that will also find. I can even give more than one alphabet like this. I give well. Yes, it is true because it is ending with the substring well. Okay. So ends with is used to check if the string is ending with this substring. Now you can understand what is meant by starts with. Starts with means if the string is starting with that given index number. Yes, of course, all is well starts with capital A. Same way, you can give ALL. Of course, it starts with this, so it returns true. But if I change the case even, a capital L, it will return false because capital L is not there. Okay, so this is the use of ends with and starts with. So the remaining methods we will see in the next video. Thank you.